Okay, so the last one on our list here is the 28 by 13s, which traditionally have given people a lot of problems and are honestly one of the easier things. It just messes with people because we've been making tubes this whole time, and the 28 by 13 is an L. And I always say it's an L, and they're like, what's an L? And I go like this, and they say, oh, okay, and they're confused still. So we're going to go 28 by 13. So 28, and then we're going to go 13. We'll do that a couple more times. 28 by 13. Once more. And that's it. We're going to draw our lines. And one more. And something didn't go right. You can see that this one isn't going to fall in the right place. Let's check my measurement. Maybe I made a mistake. So let's see. I did. I only went like 12, but this one's 14. I don't know. Let's remark this at 13. 1, 2, 3. Actually, that one looks okay. That's the one that messed up. 1, 2, 3. Check that one again. 1, 2, 3. That one should hit. So it should hit now, I think. So it's always good to keep an eye on what you're doing. Like I said earlier, I was covering it when I was coming from the left so that you could see better the V's coming. But now that I'm on the right side of the page, it's easier. But you want to always try to leave open the other side so that you can tell, if you had made a mistake. You can sort of tell when two lines get closer together and they shouldn't be. All right, and so now I have my 28 by 13. 28, 13. And we need 2 by 11 centimeters. So I'm going to make that mark now, too. So we'll go down 11 twice here. I kind of wish I had done that before I pulled it off the board, but it's really not the end of the world. So I'm going from 30 to 19, which is 11. 30 to 19, and I'm going to come up from the bottom, just to make sure that if I did make a mistake, that it doesn't mess with me twice. So 11, 0 to 11, 0 to 11. I just got to remember that this part's no good. Make my mark. Made my marks. Now draw my lines. And I'm going to score. And again, if you're still confused, the scoring should help straighten all that out. So we'll score down here. Fold it over. And this one is not going to get glued. Right? I'm even going to cut these so you can see what they are. And that one's garbage. And then if you look at the bridge itself, let me can see this. On the end is where my 28 by 13 exists, right? It's right there. It's hard to see, but if you take this and you slide it on there, that's what it is. Right? It holds the end together. So again, kind of flipping over. Right? I'm having a hard time going backwards. All right, there you are. Right? It's this capped over like that. Okay? So 28 by 13. The next video we're going to come in and we're going to talk about gusset plates. We'll see you in a few minutes.